Hi everyone, welcome to the Forest of Yoga and Play. It's me again. I'm going to share with you the yoga poses I do with children themed ocean wave. For younger children, we're trying to practice the ocean wave breath. A big breath in and open your mouth wide and breathe out. Make the sound of ocean. And of course, I'm going to add my ocean drum to the activity and just to explain the sound of the ocean. And I'm going to have them stretch their legs in front of them. Now we start wiggling our toes, paddle our feet. For older children, they can make a fishtail, connect the heels of our feet together, and we're opening and closing our feet. So we're rotating the legs. Now, when we sit tall, we're going to stretch the fingertips all the way into the sky. Take a big breath in and open our mouths wide and make an ocean sound. All the way to your toes. If they can touch their toes, they can touch their legs. They can put their hands on the floor. There's a lot of freedom in yoga. Breathe in. Open our mouths wide. And we're focusing on our breathing right now. Breathe in. And exhale. Now, just as they are getting older, we're going to identify our spine behind us. The spine is something that can hold us up and tall. And now we're going to move the spine into small ocean waves. So this is traditionally called a cat and cow pose. And we take a big breath in and breathe out to your belly. So we go up and down. Going for one more. Now, for older children, preschoolers and up, they start to develop more core stability and strength for their upper body. We're going to try down dog and the plank. Start on our hands and knees. When it gets windy above the ocean, the waves start to blow higher. So we're gonna lift our hip high into the sky, high and then low. So we take a big breath in and high. And low. One more time.